The last final puzzle piece finally arrived. This is the Samsung S95B OLED TV, 65-inch. I was able to get this on Black Friday. Shout out to my work because it gave me an extra discount since I technically kinda somewhat work for Samsung through a phone retailer. Here is the bags that it brought, the power cables, video cables, and it brought one remote. People said that it brought two remotes for them, the regular Samsung remote and then the solar panel remote. I only got the solar panel remote. That's a smart remote. I don't really need the other one. I'm not sure if I threw it out by accident when I was doing this unboxing. I may have missed it in one of the styrofoams or something. But yeah, there wasn't an extra controller in that bag. So today, like I said, we're taking a look at the S95B. We're gonna be mounting on the wall brackets. So right here, this little circle spacer, you get two spacers in that little kit that you got there with the controller. You just want to pop those out, and those go on the bottom two of these four holes right here for the mounting bracket. So you put the two spacers on the bottom two, and then the top two don't need any spacer or washers or anything like that. The screws that I had to use was an M8 by 35. I think you can get away by using 30, but 35 worked for me. 65-inch, I had these. They brought them with the wall mount kit that I bought. This is the on kit from Walmart, so it's nothing really too expensive. I bought it also on Black Friday, 32 bucks. Mounts anywhere from 50 to 80 inches, so that's pretty dope. And right here, you just want to screw on the screws. Remember guys, when you tighten the screws behind the TV, you never want to put it really too tight. Some people use washers. I actually didn't use a washer in this installation. Not sure really if I needed one. They were like a little loose, but they were attached to the TV, if that makes any sense. Like they would still rattle around if I would move it, but not too much. So you guys let me know if I did something wrong there, but I think you should be fine. I don't hear anything. This wall mount is flexible, so it goes up and down. Then you just want to tie those four screws in and then call it a day. So right here, this is the snap toggle tool that I use to mount the TV basically anywhere. That's why I can have it lined up perfectly with the monitor. I don't have to follow any studs or anything like that. So basically with this tool, it's something that you put inside of the wall and it clamps on behind the wall, and then you put your screw in and it tightens behind the wall. So each of these little things are rated for 265 pounds on just one. So if you're using 4, in my case I'm using 6 just to be sure, because I already had 2. I had to move my old TV. You guys will see extra holes there. I had a 55-inch before, and I took that down. It was a Hisense TV. I copped this OLED because I wanted to see what the OLED technology was about. So I added a couple more just for safe purposes. So once you have all that up, I obviously did this alone, so I really couldn't film myself mounting the wall or really drilling in the holes or anything like that, so sorry about that. But here is the finished product. The Samsung S95B in all its glory, wall mounted, perfect, looks very elegant. The pictures are super black. You guys let me know what you guys thought of this video. I'm gonna just let the video play out with some RGB effects that I have here, just so you guys can see how the TV looks in the setup and everything like that. Once again, if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.
So this is it. This is where we're going out. No, I don't think so. Boozer? Huh? Bro? Boozer? Nice your old lady was killed. What did I say to you? What did I say to you, huh? I found you halfway through a case of whiskey. You were gonna drink yourself to death. What did I say to you?
You grabbed the bottle. You chugged it. It was a lot of goddamn whiskey. You told me if I was gonna drink myself to death, you'd be right there with me. That's what you always do.
So like I said, Boozer, is this it? That's how we're going, huh?
Let's get the hell out of here. Go, go, go!
I'm going!
A little faster then. Cars! Wreck the cars.
I see him, loser! Oh, shit! Freak! Oh, I see him, loser! That's the last of them. We're gonna be okay.
I know. I knew it all along. Hey, Deke.
Loser, listen.
I just want to say thank you. I mean it.
Loser,
Just listen, goddammit. You came out here and you saved my son. Again. I owe you, brother. I owe you.
no, Boozer. I owe you. All right, look. If it weren't for you, I would have been dead a long time ago. Or worse.
I thought you said there was nothing worse than being dead.
Yeah, well, I was wrong.
Open the gate.
You gonna be okay?
Oh, hell yeah. I hear a bunk call.